Ready, as it were.
Well, look at this. This is a stunning EP3 in today for a map. It is actually stunning. I can't express. You probably can't even see that in the video as well as I can show it, but it is absolutely beautiful. There's the YouTube channel. You've got to go and check this out. Check this video out. Check this channel out. Even Richard commented how lovely this one is. That's a big thing. If Richard says the car's nice, it bloody is nice. Yeah, I can't describe to you. I mean, I don't know whether the video will pick it up how clean this car is. But anyway, it's got some modifications on it. So let's get a standard power run done and then come back and tell you what mods it's got. Okay, so standard power run done, and she's made 217 brake horsepower. Well, that's fantastic, ain't it? That's really fantastic. So here we go. We have got a Tegra intake, we've got a Jap Speed 421, a K-tuned 3-inch catback, and it's on a Hyundai K Pro, which has already had a map on it by the looks of it. So we're going to improve upon that. I just can't stress how beautiful this car is. I wish I had a better camera for you guys, I really do. Well, there's another EP3 in the bag, and I've got to say that this is one of the nicest ones we've seen on this dyno. It is a very pretty car indeed. Richard, join me.
Join me.
Join me.
Join me. What do you want?
What's on offer?
I'll take whatever you've got.
Any attention's better than no attention.
That is correct. Any attention is better than no attention.
Send me a bag of sweets and on your run.
Right, so I think you've already gone through the mods list. There's pointless going through that.
Yeah, I did. It had a 4-to-1 and it had a 3-inch K-tuned exhaust system with a silly tip.
The tip's very annoying for the AFR sensor, but okay, we've got to get into that. That's irrelevant of the exhaust performance.
But it's a great exhaust system. It's got a Tegra reduction kit. Yeah, nice.
Standard linear manifold, bits like that. I mean, generally, like we say, with basic bolt-ons or good bolt-ons, they make around the 230 before, obviously, inlet manifold can make up to 235, depending on, obviously.
This has made 230, Rich.
Yeah, it's made 230. Generally, when you fit an inlet manifold, they're around 240, and then pretty much after that, you know, you want cams and bits and bobs. But yeah, this is doing exactly what you thought it would do. It is a lovely, clean car, so I didn't expect anything any different. I'm sure the customer will notice the difference there between the graph had already got a tune-up, some description on there.
Because it was actually revved out slightly.
Yeah, it was revved out to 8.8 as well, which I don't generally like doing.
Yeah, we've actually revved it out to 8.6.
8.6. So, yeah, so it did all right power in standard form. Obviously, it got a tune on it of sorts. We've obviously improved on that, and then finished the day on 230.
Yeah, really happy with it. What a car. I wish I had a better cameraman, because this is like, not a better cameraman, because I'm the cameraman.
Yeah, I
wish I had a better camera man.
Yeah.
Because this car is clean. It's such a good example of an EP3, and realistically, they're getting older.
Yeah, they are. I mean, a good one's hard to find, ain't it? Yeah. Right, so look at this graph.
Is that a Fergal Sharkey song?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a good heart. Anyway, here we go. Let's have a look. Okay, so as you guys normally see, it's red line as she came in, which was already tuned, and like Rich said, it's revved out slightly further than we would normally would. Blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of gains to be had there. As you can see, we've got mid-range gains, we've got gains across the board. And finishing today on 230. I'm calling that 230, 229 and 202 at the wheels. So there we go. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Remember that if you've got any EP3 questions, we tend to do a bit of a live session on a morning on YouTube, which is normally kicking off about 8 AM. So do jump in and join us and say hello. I'll probably waffle on for the first 30 minutes whilst I'm stressing about my computer booting up. But apart from that, it's a pretty good place to be. There's quite a few of us in that community now that say good morning to each other. But yeah, so do join us. If you've got any questions, either comment them on this video below or drop us a message on Facebook, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
Well, indeed.
We will indeed.
Life moves pretty fast.